So apparently China banned Bitcoin again, and the markets had a little bit of a reaction there. But this is not the first time. It's not the second time. It's not the third time that China actually banned Bitcoin. So in case you are a bit new to crypto, in this video, let me walk you through a little bit how many times China has banned Bitcoin and why this is perfectly lining up with the September shakeout theory and why we could still have a massive Q4 in the next 3 months ahead. What's up guys, Dirk here from intelligentcryptocurrency.com. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, click that subscribe button down below, click the notification bell so you do get future updates. And if you want me to send you an email every time I upload a new video, get on my email list. It is the first link in the description down below. So yesterday this news came out on Reuters and on Bloomberg.com and the mainstream financial media sites, and it started spreading like crazy and the markets had a big drop from 45,000 to under 42,000 again on Bitcoin. And it's basically like China's top regulators ban crypto trading and mining, sending Bitcoin tumbling. Now this has happened over and over again. In fact, it actually happened in September of 2017, and I will show you that all in a second. But first, I want to play you this little clip from South Park about the China FUD.
I sell Bitcoin at top, but we need to move market down. Say China ban Bitcoin. Nah, it's too old. We used it 15 times already. But it still works. Okay, I try. Yeah, hello, internet. Yeah, see, this is a very cheaper bank of China. Yeah, we ban Bitcoin now. What? Oh, dear God, China's banning Bitcoin. Sell it all.
So that clip perfectly sums up pretty much what's happening. I think it is just a lot of market manipulation, and probably not even from official sources. There's all sorts of third parties who use media platforms and who orchestrate these types of announcements at critical times in the markets to be able to move the markets in certain ways to be able to get their agendas, which is maybe to get people to panic sell their coins so they can scoop up more. Then the price goes up, and those people that panic sold at a loss are going to have to FOMO in much higher, which is when the other people sell the coins that they bought low to the upside. There's a lot of stuff happening, and if you are not aware of these tactics and how these markets move, then you can feel very scared and you can get manipulated into selling your coins at a loss and buying the very top. So you can see over here, this was published on September 8th, 2017. Also on Reuters, the exact same thing. Bitcoin tumbles on report China to shutter digital currency exchanges. What are the chances? Same platform, same month, 4 years ago, just before we had an insane blow off top. And it wasn't just in 2017. You can see the exact same thing here back in 2013 already. This was literally a few days after the peak of the bull run. So in November 2013, towards the very end of November, that was the very peak of Bitcoin after its first parabolic move in a major way that the world hadn't really experienced. And look what came out. China bans financial companies from Bitcoin transactions. So this has been going on for a long time. This is nothing new. And you can see over here also, Pompliano shared this over here. China has done this so many times. Look at December 2013. Look at all the headlines over here in 2012, in 2018, in 2017. So this is going on and on and on. And this is a really nice chart here that basically indicates what happened in the previous cycle in 2017. Exactly the same thing. September, shakeout month. September, China FUD about banning Bitcoin. You can see over here. And we had that sell-off towards the end. Major shakeout. People were scared because people didn't know what was lying ahead, right? We didn't know at that point that we're going to get this insane blow of top from October to December. And we got the shakeout, everyone got scared, and this is exactly what they want, right? If there is an agenda behind this for them to shake you out and create so much fear that you think Bitcoin is absolutely going to crash, the party is over, the market sells off, you panic sell at a loss, and then we go for this insane parabolic run afterwards, right? You can see over here the exact same thing happened in September, sell-off, and then this huge run in October, November, and December. You can even see over here Molly is saying, if you saw any Chinese regulatory FUD again, keep in mind this announcement was posted on September 3rd, and it really was only posted on Reuters and Bloomberg yesterday on September 24th. So this is just recycled stuff over and over with intention of creating fear in the market. In my opinion, that's basically just what it looks like. You can see over here. Also, keep in mind things that China has banned. They have banned Google. What has happened to Google? They have banned YouTube. What happened to YouTube? They banned Facebook. What happened to Facebook? And they pretty much banned Bitcoin every single year since 2013. Okay, so even if there was some truth to this and a Bitcoin would be banned in China, it would not be the end of the world, because plenty of things that are banned in China have still gone on to do very, very well in the rest of the world, like Google, YouTube, and Facebook. So remember what we said about the September shakeout. My last video was about that. If you haven't watched that yet, I'll link to it in the description below or up here if you're watching on YouTube. Same thing, September is still the shakeout month. So while we can't guarantee and nobody knows that we are going to get a huge blow off top in the next 3 months, so far everything is playing out almost identically to the 2017 cycle. Okay, and we had the mid-cycle sell-off from May to July. It has happened in 2017. It has happened in 2013. We've got our sideways action. We've had our September shakeout, which happened in 2017 too. And so far, the cycle timings are also lining up. We still have time according to the 4-year cycle, which peaked in November 2013, December of 2017. So if all of this is going to repeat, then the next 3 months, we could see a huge blow off top, huge shakeout. Don't know when the top is going to come exactly. Maybe it comes in November, maybe December, maybe January, maybe February, somewhere around there. Obviously, you're going to have to see how this develops over the coming weeks. Obviously, the sooner it goes parabolic, the sooner the potential for a top. The longer it takes before things start going parabolic, well then the longer the chance is before that cycle peak top is reached. Again, no guarantees, but so far things are looking very, very identical, and hopefully that last phase is going to repeat, and we are going to get a massive, massive blow off top in the next 3 to 4 months in the crypto markets. If we are, be prepared, because that, in my opinion, is going to be the very peak of the cycle. After that, I do think we will get a huge crash, 80 or 90%, and the whole market is going to crash. And after that, we get an enormous opportunity. If you play your cards right, and you are able to ride this up, if we get the blow off top, realize gains, cash out, protect your capital, sidestep the next crash, and then towards the low of that next crash, which might be sometime middle to end of next year, if you could buy in those lows, there might be some life-changing potential opportunities over the next few years. But it is, of course, very important to make the right steps and to make the right decisions, because if you play it wrong and you get caught bag holding coins throughout an 80 or 90% decline, or you buy at the wrong time or you sell at the wrong time, obviously those decisions can all be detrimental. So you got to be very careful and play your cards right, and then hopefully things are going to work out very, very well. Just a final reminder, if you want to join Intelligent Cryptocurrency, if you want to become a member and you want to get access to all my research, the education, the courses, the newsletters, the updates, if you want to get personal access to me in our Discord and forums, and join over 1,100 members inside the members area, now is still the time to do it, because I will be closing the doors within the next 3 weeks. Quite simply because if what plays out, what I've said in this video, and we get a cycle repeat of the last cycle, then the next 3 months, crypto is going to go absolutely parabolic. And after that, I do think it will crash. So my kind of window for when I think I can still help people and when I think there's still reasonable upside potential is pretty much the middle of October. As we get past that, it's going to get more and more risky. So I don't want to take on new members after that, because the chances of getting involved in crypto in November or December, if this cycle peak blow off top plays out in this way, then it's just too risky, because you can be buying it at much higher prices and you risk buying the very top before the market drops potentially 80 or 90%. So middle October is my cutoff date. If you want to join us, please do so before then. It's the second link in the description down below. There is still a complete 60-day money-back guarantee. There is no risk, but there is a time limit on the markets, because the markets are simply going to move. And if this is going to play out pretty much middle October is the deadline. So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully see you inside Intelligent Cryptocurrency. If not, smash the like button, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.